Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aisha Azam. I am student in the Comsets University Islamabad WA campus from CS department. I am here to represent the topic of Indus Valley Civilization. Introduction. It is very difficult to understand Indus Valley Civilization because its scripts are unreadable. So its politics, religion and history remain a mystery. The Indus Valley Civilization, also known as Harappan culture, is among the world's earliest civilization. Contemporary to the Bronze Age civilization of Mesopotamia and ancient Egypt. Discovery. In 1920, the buried cities and villages of Indus Valley were recognized by archaeologists as representing an undiscovered civilization. R.V. Dayaram was an Indian archaeologist who supervised the excavation of Indus Valley at Harappa in 1921 and 1922. R.D. Banerjee was also Indian archaeologist and museum expert. He is the best known as the discoverer of Mohenjo-daro in 1922. Location and physical features. The Indus Valley civilization was in the northwest of India. It was spread over an area of some 12,60,000 kilometers, comprising the whole of modern-day Pakistan and parts of modern-day India and Afghanistan. The Indus Valley civilization may have had a population of well over 5 million. In terms of geographical extents, this civilization was the largest civilization in the world. Important cities and sites of Indus Valley civilization. So far, archaeologists have come across more than 1,000 sites belonging to this civilization. Out of these, only 6 can be regarded as cities such as Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Bannawali, etc. Largest site of Indus civilization is Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro and Harappan culture. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa had a very rich culture, but here I will explain its key features only. City organization. Both Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, two of the largest among roads. Harappan towns and cities were built as per grid pattern, wherein roads and by lanes bisect each other right angle. These cities consist of houses built of baked bricks. Houses were having bathing area and proper sewage system. Built walls around the cities which indicate that they have had defend themselves. Art and craft. The Indus Valley civilization had a rich craft tradition as well as high degree of technical excellence in the field of pottery making, sculpture, jewelry, etc. People had the knowledge of boat making and seal making. The craftsmen not only created to all the local needs, but surplus items were sent to ancient Arabian cultures via ancient sea routes. Food. Dinner might have been warm wheat bread served with barley or rice. It would appear they were very good farmers. They grew barley, peas, melons, wheat and dates. Fish were caught in the river with fish hook. Each town had a large central storage building for grain. Crops were grown and the harvest stored centrally for all in the town to enjoy. Seal. The main corpus of writing dated from the Indus civilization is in the form of some 2000 inscribed seal in good, legible conditions. Although these seals and samples of Indus writing have been floating around the scholastic world for close to 70 years, little progress has been made on deciphering this elegant script. However, we should not blame scholars for their lack of progress, for there are some major impediments to decipherment. Number 1. Very short and brief text. The average number of symbols on the seal is 5 and the longest is only 26. Number 2. The language underneath is unknown. Number 3. Lack of bilingual text. The caste system. The Aryans were British colored and the Dravidians were darker skinned. The caste system had 4 main groups. The highest class is Brahmins or priests. They have great authority and respect. The next level are the warriors or landowners. They are called Kshatriyas. The Vaishya are the merchants and the artisans. They are the people who sell the products. The lowest level are the artisans and the farmers. They are called Shudra. I have explained that this civilization is very vast. It is very difficult to cover whole, but I tried my best to make you familiar with this Indus Valley civilization. Thanks for watching.